So Justin has walked you through some of the basic actions you can take in the app. He stole my thunder a little bit on some of these next topics like he likes to do, but that's okay. I'm going to talk a little bit about some different ways you can find data on mobile, including how to use global search, saved filters, sorting lists, and accessing dashboards. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up my screen share here as well.
Justin, before she starts, you had a question.
Right. When I take the meeting note, did I go to the meeting section or the notes section? I went ahead and clicked the plus sign next to the meeting to designate it was a meeting I held in person. I could also add a note. Some companies use meetings, some companies use notes, some companies use both. It's really up to what your processes are, but certainly both are available in mobile.
All right, so I have an Apple phone, an iPhone, so you're seeing my iPhone here. You can see the app looks very much the same, so it's very much a consistent user experience, whether you're using this on an Android device or an Apple device. And as Justin said, the first screen that's going to come up when you log in is the global search screen. So from here, I can hit the magnifying glass up at the top of my screen, and I can do a global search from the app exactly like I can do that at the top of my screen in the Sugar web application. Sugar actually recently made a change to have the exact same underlying technology driving global search on mobile as drives mobile search when you're using the main web application. So you should get the exact same results whether you're searching in global search at your computer or on your mobile device when you do that search. And so I can go ahead and type my search term in here. Of course, I can also navigate through the menu and go into a particular section, a particular module. So I could go into, say, the opportunities section. And at that point, I still have that magnifying glass at the top of my screen. I can still do a search within the opportunities list. But I can also use any filters that I've already created and saved. So if I use the filter menu here on the upper left, I can see a list of all of the filters that are available.
I don't think anyone can see your screen.
Uh-oh. Well, let's back up a step and try that again then. How about now?
From my end, it looks like yes.
I see it now.
Okay.
If anyone else is still having a problem, let us know.
The joys of technical software difficulties. All right, so this is the global search page, again, that comes up when you first log in. So here at the top of the screen is where I hit that magnifying glass to do the global search. And this, again, is what would be the exact same as doing that global search from your computer. Or I can hit the menu bar in the upper left corner to go into a particular module, like, say, the opportunities module. So this is going to bring up a list of the opportunities, just like it would do if I clicked the word opportunities at the top of my screen in Sugar. And from here, I can either use the magnifying glass at the top to search within the list of opportunities for a particular opportunity, or I can use my filters to change the list that I'm viewing. So the upper left box that says My Open Opportunities is actually the filter that I have turned on at the moment. And I can tap on that box to bring up a list of all of the filters that I have available, which is going to be any filters that I have created and saved when I was working at my computer. So you cannot currently create any new filters from mobile, but you can use any filters that you have created and just pick the filter that you want, and it will go ahead and refresh that list. You can also change the sort order for a longer list. So that upper right corner box that says By Date Modified, if I click on the Date Modified box, it will give me a list of all of the different fields that I can sort by. We're going to talk about how that list is configured a little bit later on. And then one final thing I wanted to make sure I pointed out is that you can get to your home page dashboards from mobile. I have a couple of different dashboards set up in this system, one called My Dashboard and one called Home Dashboard, so you're seeing both of those listed there in my menu bar. If I tap on one of those, it will give me little mini boxes showing me all of the different things that I have on my dashboard. So these are all of the different widgets that I've configured on my home page. And I can tap on any of those to go ahead and pull that up on screen and see the chart or see the list. I can page through at the bottom to go to the next one on the list, or I can hit the kind of the grid button in the upper left corner next to the menu bar to go back to the list of all of the different dashboards and then pick something else from that list.